Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and carefully guide the touchpad board out from under the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable. Remove the touchpad board and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the touchpad board from the static dissipative bag. Guide the touchpad board under the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable and lower it onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Place the touchpad board bracket onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Insert the touchpad board ribbon cable into the touchpad board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.